If the truck driver is intoxicated, impaired, or fatigued, it can have a dramatic effect upon the liability issue in your personal injury case. It is very common for truck drivers to be impaired, specifically if they are fatigued. It's very common for truck drivers to be overworked, put in too many hours, even falsify their logbook regarding how many hours they're on the road. The best way for you to get an investigation of that specific issue is by contacting a personal injury attorney who's familiar with trucking law immediately after your accident, so they can conduct a proper investigation and make sure that all of the trucker's records are preserved.